Today, we'll be installing the brush guard for a MadJax Apex body. Using a 15mm socket, remove the bolt holding the lower valence on both sides of the Apex body. Take the passenger side lower mounting bracket for the Apex brush guard and slide it into place as shown. Take the longer M8 bolts and loosely secure the lower mounting tabs to the chassis using a 13mm wrench and socket. Repeat these steps on the driver's side to mount the lower mounting bracket to the chassis. Be sure to leave them loose enough to fit the remaining pieces of the brush guard on. Next, grab the passenger reinforcement bracket and slip it behind the inner bolt holding the mounting bracket as shown. Tighten this bolt loose enough to allow you to maneuver the reinforcement bracket into place. Repeat these steps on the driver's side. Using the provided Allen wrench and a 10mm socket, secure the button head bolts to the brush guard on the lower mounting brackets as shown. Using a 13mm socket and wrench, secure the 25mm M8 bolts to the reinforcement brackets on the brush guard. Lastly, tighten all the bolts to ensure the brush guard is securely fastened to the chassis. Now, enjoy your brush guard for your MadJax Apex body.